Is SAP really dying? The truth: every few years someone declares that SAP is dying. And every time, that prediction turns out to be wrong. Let us look at what is actually happening. SAP is the enterprise software backbone for over 400,000 organizations worldwide. It runs the financial, supply chain, human resources, and operations processes of some of the largest companies on the planet. These systems do not get replaced quickly or cheaply. The current SAP S/4HANA migration wave is one of the largest enterprise software transitions in history. Organizations that ran older SAP ECC systems are now upgrading to S/4HANA. This migration has been underway for years and will continue for years more. Every migration requires experienced SAP consultants. SAP is also evolving rapidly. SAP Business Technology Platform, known as SAP BTP, is SAP's cloud and integration layer. It enables organizations to extend SAP with custom applications, AI capabilities, and third-party integrations. This is not a dying technology. It is a technology that is actively modernizing. The demand for SAP professionals globally remains consistently strong. There is a well-documented shortage of skilled SAP consultants, particularly in newer modules and cloud capabilities. SAP is not dying. SAP is evolving. The professionals who evolve with it will find excellent opportunities for years to come.